Coverage you can count on with meteorologist Carson Meredith and the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
All right, it's 6:48 on this Tuesday morning. We are tracking, you guessed it, more rain. There's another look at the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. Actually been tracking a few thunderstorms throughout our entire newscast this morning, especially west of I-65 in Lawrence County, the extreme southwestern tip of Morgan County, out into Colbert County too. Let's zoom in just a little bit tighter on that cluster of thunderstorms. I will say, as far as the heavy rainfall, that has weakened just a little bit, but I'm still seeing a good bit of lightning with this particular cluster of storms. So I do expect all this to hold together as it gets closer to the I-65 corridor. So heads up if you're in Decatur, Athens, along Alabama 20, even towards 565 too. Over the next hour or two, I think this cluster of thunderstorms will make it towards the metro area, and that might cause some problems for the morning commute. So just keep that in mind. If you're not seeing thunderstorms, you're seeing very low cloud cover and also some of that mist and drizzle too. There's a look at the Way 31 Skycam network. Temperatures in the low to mid 70s across the board. You can really see that thick cloud cover in the shoals right now. And going through the day today, really the same storyline. I will say the coverage of the showers and storms might be just barely less widespread, but it's still a 60% chance. Forecast high 83 degrees when all is said and done later on this afternoon. Here's future radar. By 9 o'clock this morning, there you see more of those showers and storms developing right along or just to the west of I-65. We might get a small break around midday today, but notice how the cloud cover might break up just a little bit too. That'll give us more fuel to work with to see those showers and storms redevelop once again as a cold front gets closer to North Alabama. This is the much advertised, much anticipated cold front we've been talking about for the last few days. Here it comes by 1 o'clock Wednesday morning. We'll have a few showers and storms once again as that front moves through, but once that front does finally move through, we'll start to dry things out tomorrow afternoon. The sun finally comes back and the temperatures will be extremely comfortable, not just for the rest of the work week, but also heading into the weekend too. Rainfall totals over the next 24 hours in general widespread. We'll probably see around a ½ inch to 1 inch of rain, but in those heavier downpours like we've seen over the last few days, we could easily see more than 1 inch of rain. So we'll still have to watch that flash flooding concern today, but I'm not expecting the widespread flash flooding like we've seen this past weekend and yesterday too. And once all the rain moves out, like I mentioned, the big headline, those temperatures. Look at the temperature trend for the next 5 days. Pretty seasonable today in that low to mid 80s range, and then look how it just drops like a rock. 72 tomorrow, 71 on Thursday. We do creep back up into the mid to upper 70s by Friday and Saturday, but it will feel extremely comfortable, not a cloud in the sky. Absolutely gorgeous fall weather, just in time for that first day of fall, which is tomorrow, by the way. Now keep in mind, these are the high temperatures. Overnight lows Thursday morning and Friday morning in many spots will be in the 40s. We haven't had that kind of cold weather in quite some time, going back to May, so it might be time to finally grab those jackets out of the closet. There's your 7-day forecast. Again, temperatures in the low to mid 80s.